1, 2, 3, 4, 14. Okay, ready? 1, 2. Son, sama ko, Son. 1, 2. Okay, salamat po. Sige po.
This place is also a lunch area. That's why we have a table here. Sawan. Yeah. We have a fort over there. And we have a view deck over there. So yung view deck po na yun is sa mga magandang place for picture. That one, guys.